giving us unique perspective, insight, and influence into how technology will evolve.
We will also make up with the content.
Much of what was predicted has come to fruition,
Trust me, by the way, my name is Everest.
and the future is here,
That's my real name.
now.
And
No matter where technology takes us, one thing is
it's my
certain.
promise, ladies and gentlemen, to make your day
You'll never have a
extremely
day
interesting.
without
And
Ingram Micro.
from your end, we have a few requests. One is try and network as much as possible. I know sometimes it's not very easy to lean across and say a hi, hello to your colleagues around, even on your table.
Ingram Micro is the world's largest technology wholesaler. We help businesses and individuals around the world realize the promise of technology through our more than 25.
From the audience to the days up here, because we want to have interactive sessions, because these are mainly case studies which are going to be spoken about. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, we would also want you to visit our stalls during the breaks whenever possible. So that is the request that we have. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to set the tone for today's meeting, today's conference, and we have with us the head of marketing and marketing communication and business intelligence, Ingram Micro India, Mr. Samir Mishra. Please get your hands together as Samir joins us on stage.
Good morning, everyone. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Thanks, Everest. I believe we had a very nice, jovial start to the morning. And my name is Samir Mishra. I head the marketing communications and business intelligence for Ingram Micro India. I would like to thank everyone in this room today to make out their time and attend the forum. Again, a sincere apologies for being a little late on the schedule. I believe the town is just expecting us to start at the time. On this opportunity, I would also like to thank all our brands and supporting partners on the forum today to make this effort, worthwhile. Starting with my first solution partner, HP Enterprise, VMware, Dell EMC, Emerson, IBM, Access Communications, Zebra, Nimble Storage, and Cisco. So, gentlemen, I would like to give a lot of applause for all the vendor partners who have helped us to make this first edition thing. Also welcoming all again to Ingram Micro Tech Forum 2016, the first edition in the Delhi chapter. I believe with a short introduction of Ingram Micro, before I begin, we've been the largest distribution global leader for IT and mobility in the world today. And knowing the fact that we are a very important part of the food chain, there was a need and necessary for, to get a forum together, to get the entire ecosystem together. I mean, when you talk about technology coming together, we've been very, very integral in facilitating the solutions which come from us, supported by the solution providers to our reseller partners and to the end customer. And hence, it was utmost important to get everybody on the same platform to network, to engage, and exchange the values and the next generation technology that's coming in. Having said that, I believe there is a good amount of opportunity on this platform where the next generation solutions can be shared through case studies. Throughout the day, we'll have multiple amount of opportunities to understand how solutions are changing. And, we would also request everybody to go down to the booth, understand, network with the brands, understand the solutions that they're giving. I'm very sure there's a lot of knowledge that can be shared across, point of views to be shared across, and gauge the importance of it. Not taking much of the time, I would like the sessions to begin. I believe all of us are waiting for that. And once again, I would like to thank you for all our partners, all the audiences, and I look forward to having a second session with you very soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Samir. And since now we've set the tone for this meet, we would like to delve a little bit more on Ingram Micro. So, ladies and gentlemen, delivering value to the enterprise, Ingram Micro. We have with us Mr. Kannan Rangamani, Director Sales, Ingram Micro India. Please get your hands together as Mr. Kannan Rangamani joins us on stage.
Very good morning. First of all, thank you for taking time out from your busy schedule to be with us this morning. We'll make sure that the time you spend here is worthwhile. Taking a cue from my colleague Samir Mishra, who spoke about the creation of this Ingram Micro Technology Forum 2016, I would like to share with you how Ingram Micro has transitioned from being a conventional distribution house to a value-added distributor. We are the global leader in technology and supply chain services, with our 2015 revenues being $43 billion. We have operations in 52 countries and we do business in 160 countries. We are number 64 on the global Fortune 100 ranking. We have more than 200,000 customers, 1,700 vendor partners, and we ship more than 500 million units per year. So as Ingram Micro, globally, we are really big. And if you look at the revenues, 43 billion, this is how the split is. North America still continues to be our biggest region, with 42% contribution coming from North America. Europe, the second largest, 28%, and Asia Pacific is the third. Amongst the Ingram Micro entities, we have North America as the number one entity in terms of revenue, and Germany being the number two, and India is number three. Thanks to you for your support. We have been moved from a number 5 slot to a number 3 slot, and I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of you for your support and business. Why Ingram Micro? Because we have the broadest product portfolio, be it IT, mobility, cloud, we have the broadest offering in the market. We also have the ability to tailor specific solutions for our customers, and then we provide world-class logistics support, and we have the logistics services platform, which really helps us to deliver what we promise as Ingram Micro. So we have the global scale and reach, operational efficiencies required for an organization of this size, and we have the financial stability, which is extremely important, and above all, the trust from customers, partners, and vendor partners, which has taken us to where we are today. We have the broadest product offering, which I spoke about. Almost all the leading brands you'll find here in this slide, right? And some of them are here present with us today, partnered with us for this event, right? So you can think of any brand in IT, mobility, cloud, and Ingram Micro is the biggest distributor for them worldwide, right? If you look at our inventory, we carry more than $3.5 billion in inventory worldwide, and we have more than 1 million SKUs that we hold in our inventory. It's big in terms of the size and the volume of inventory that we carry. If you look at our acquisitions since 2012, we've invested more than $2 billion in acquiring companies which are strategic in nature for Ingram Micro from an Ingram Micro perspective. Some of them are geographic expansion, some of them are investments for the future business. For example, this core business technology solutions we have acquired. Until a couple of years ago, we never had presence in Middle East and Africa. So we acquired a company called Aptech, which gave us immediate access to that market. So we have now operations in Middle East and Africa. Similarly, we acquired a company in Turkey called Armada, right, which gives us immediate access to that market. So some of these are geographic expansions. So it's all strategic, and we have actually, that gives us immediate access to those markets. And if you look at the other acquisitions that we have done on the mobility lifecycle services, Brightpoint, I'm sure all of you would have heard this name, Brightpoint, which was acquired by Ingram Micro in 2012, right? So they were into device lifecycle management business in the mobility space. We acquired them, and then now we are the largest service provider in that space. We do repair, refurbish, replace of handsets, right? And we are also into cloud. We have acquired a few companies in the last couple of years. We have acquired companies which are into platform as a service. Some of them are also providing various solutions that goes into creating cloud services and cross-platform services. On the commerce and fulfillment, again, we have acquired a couple of companies. Supply chain services is one of the lifeline for a distribution organization, and we have acquired a couple of companies there. Shipwire is one e-commerce, an order fulfillment warehousing organization that we acquired, and Doc Data is another order fulfillment, reverse logistics, and online payment services company that was acquired last year. So we are investing in the right areas as Ingram Micro. And if you look at our Ingram Micro strategy, we have our core business, right? This is the traditional business that we do, distributing IT mobility products. And that's what we have been good at all these while. And now we have added a lot of services around it, right? So if you actually look at our cloud services enablement, we have our Ingram Micro Cloud Marketplace. I don't know how many of you are aware. Instead of talking to multiple vendors and trying to subscribe to their cloud services, you can log on to Ingram Micro Cloud Marketplace and you will be able to provision online for all of these vendors instead of going to them individually, right? So that creates a great platform. And whether it is infrastructure as a service, software as a service, backup as a service, or platform as a service, Ingram Micro has a product in each of these categories, and we can offer you complete solution around these platforms. Mobility and lifecycle, we do the entire device lifecycle management. I'm sure all of us keep changing our handsets, right? Mobile phones frequently. So Ingram Micro is in the business of repair, refurbish. In fact, we do repair, refurbish for some of the largest known brands in the country. Due to NDA, I can't disclose the brand names, but we do a lot of business in that space. And we actually also have returns management and warranty programs that we run with some of them. On the commerce and fulfillment solutions, we again deliver on-demand and customer fulfillment solutions. So we do more of logistics services here we provide. So whether it is warehousing management, inventory management, right, or kitting services for some of the telco operators, we do SIM kitting as well, right? So anything to do with supply chain services or logistics support, whether it's a three-party logistics requirement of a customer, we are there to provide, and we also work closely with some of the largest enterprise accounts. Addressing customer needs, this is an important slide for you to understand how Ingram Micro can add value to your business as a distribution partner. We educate our customers, so we do a lot of training and for our customers. So if you have any training requirements on any specific technology or solutions, please do reach out to us, and we'll be more than happy to partner with our vendor partners and provide you the required support. We do marketing, business intelligence that my colleague Samir Mishra spoke about, right? We do business analytics, which helps our vendors to know where exactly they need to invest for growth, and those are the kind of services which we provide at a global level, and we have just started in India as well. We provide technical support to our customers, and then we enable, all of this is enabled by giving access to the products and solutions that Ingram Micro has to offer. And with our broadest product portfolio, be it in advanced solutions, typically networking, security, storage, servers, or mobility, cloud, we have solutions in almost all these categories. And we do also offer professional services. Some of you would have requirements for professional services, like if you require any support in terms of designing a bill of materials or creating a solution, right? Or if you need even an implementation or an integration support, Ingram Micro will be more than happy to partner with you and provide you those services, and we have a separate team managing the professional services business spread across the country. And all of this will have to be delivered to the customer, right? We have to deliver these products to you, and that's what we are really good at when it comes to supply chain services, logistics. We ensure that the products, whatever is sold to you, gets delivered at the right time, at the right place, in right condition, right? So that's what we are really good at. And the kitting that I talked about, we do kitting services also to some of our customers. And on the recover is nothing but your life cycle management products that we have. So we do reverse logistics, we do buy the used products. We have acquired a company by name CloudBlue. I don't know how many of you are aware of this company, CloudBlue. CloudBlue is into providing IT assets disposition service. So if you have any IT refresh that you have to make in your organization, please do talk to us, right? We do help customers to do IT refresh by taking back the used products and also applying the fresh set of products and solutions. So that's one business which is a part of our strategy, and that came in along with the acquisition that we did in the recent past through CloudBlue. Much better. So how we bring value? Wow. We help customers and vendors build their business and be more profitable. That's what we are really good at. So you concentrate on your core areas and then leave it to Ingram Micro to manage the rest. We understand today's market challenges and we offer relevant solutions to customers, which is extremely important because we have the access to all the leading brands, and then we are in a position to provide you the right and relevant solutions as per your needs. We identify and bring new market opportunities to our partners. We work very closely with our channel partners, so we create opportunities for them, and then we work closely with our vendor partners in addressing those opportunities. We enable our partners to focus on their core business, which is the key, right? Partners and customers, you have to focus on your core business and leave the rest to us, and leverage on our vast capabilities as Ingram Micro, be it the looking at the size of the organization and the services that we have created over the last few years, right? So you can actually concentrate on what you are good at and then leave the rest to us to manage on the overall logistics and the getting the products delivered at the right place at the right time. This is our geographic footprint. We have 35 branch offices and 29 resident rep locations. So we cover India through these branch offices and resident representatives who are present in almost all the B and C class towns. So we have presence in almost 65 locations, and in all of these locations we have a warehouse which is close to these markets. So these are the areas where we are building our capabilities for the next decade. Conventionally, distribution has been the business, and now for the next decade we are looking at adding services which complements to what we have been doing all these while. So one is on the marketing agency services. We are working closely with our channel partners and vendor partners to understand how we could engage with them much more closely and conduct some of these marketing activities. Business intelligence that we use to generate end user demand. Professional services, I talked about it. We offer both pre-sales and post-sales support. Cloud, whether it is IaaS, BaaS, SaaS or PaaS, we are there, right? Do remember Ingram Micro and do visit Ingram Micro Cloud Marketplace, where you will find a wealth of information. We do ITAD business, which I talked about. Anything to do with IT refresh, please do remember Ingram Micro and do talk to us, and we'll be more than happy to work out a solution wherein we can provide a buyback opportunity. And we do reverse logistics and insurance.